My maid was having a huge problem with her kid. It was failing in all subjects, and the school wanted to give a TC and throw the kid out. I had a chat with the kid a couple of months ago. Today, my cook said that she had gone for a parent-teacher meet, and the teacher was telling that the kid had improved in 2 subjects out of 7. And I asked my maid, "What did you tell her after coming back home?" She said nothing. I didn't tell her anything. It is interesting to note that previously, every day, at least 5 to 6 instances, she would scold her kid, and all around her people will advise her on what is wrong. What I kind of realized is that when we correct people, find their mistakes, and give them ways to avoid mistakes, it is like spraying pesticide on a plant. Yes, it is important. But the performance undersupply is we forget to give manure to the plant, which is the encouragement or the right things to do. Too much of pesticides will kill the plant. And just manure alone won't help. So one of the techniques which we follow in Hypoha is plussing. That is, every time we find a mistake, we find an opportunity, instead of just pointing out the mistake, as the person who is concerned will actually give a plussing comment to that situation. For example, instead of telling that PowerPoint is missing all key data elements, I would rather say, please add the revenue numbers and the last quarter's loss making items to the PowerPoint. Or a report was made, and I would say, instead of telling the report does not have visual elements, I would actually say, could you please add 2 more graphs and 1 pie chart to make that represent what we are trying to say. In this way, I can avoid pesticides, and every comment of mine is both a pesticide and a manure. It's a hybrid, and that is what we called as plussing. Good luck plussing any performance undersupplies that you see around you. Thanks for listening.